and they just, and a couple of minutes later, they just vanished, just disappeared. And look at that object here. Look at this one here, around the volcano. The very big eruption occurred. And look at this one here, the UFO just appeared just there. And a very, very big eruption occurred. Very, very big. And just move the camera down a little bit. Just look at this sun, how they're going to disappearing. And look at it in a big eruption. And the UFO was just there. And look at this one. And look at this one. That's a UFO. And look at this. All of them is just lit up and going very close to the crater. Look at this one, that's not a sun. When if you think in the sun, there's supposed to be a sun flare, it's like it had to come out very bright. This sun was here a couple of days ago too. And they just, a couple of minutes later, they just vanished, just disappeared. And look at that object here. This sun just stationary here, very large and just stationary. This sun, that's not a reflection. And look at this. And this one. It's still stationary in one spot. And this one moving up. And that looks like, that's not a reflection, that's a large UFO. A very large UFO here. It looks like it. Look at this one, that's still same place, it's stationary. Look at now, they go inside the cloud. That's the beauty. That's not a reflection. See guys, this one is go inside the, the cloud, it's going over. That's inside the cloud of this one. That's a UFO. And this one is still stationary in one spot. That's now I'm filming with 7 minutes and 8 minutes, and this one with this camera it's at nearly 18 minutes, nearly 19 minutes, and still stationary. Look at this one. Up and look this one, the stationary one spot, more than 20 minutes. This ones go inside the cloud. And this object here, you can see a beautiful square one. And this one is still inside the cloud, and that object is moving up. It's a little one, this one, and this one is go very close to the square one, the large one. That's a go inside. Now look at this, and this one is still inside the cloud. And I zoom out and watch them. Now it's appeared again right here. Square one, exactly same square. How square is this one? That's a portal here, and it's just maybe possible in the transporting something to that big ship. And you can see now this one, that's the same line. And just now it's moving up. You remember that was in more than 20 minutes in one spot, now it's moving up. And just have a look how this one is going to disappearing. And look at this one here. Just watch them how this one going to disappearing. And look at this one is disappearing too. Look at the 3 UFO there. Look at the 3 UFO. Here you can see, guys, that this one and that little object, it's moving together with this one, that large one. That's moving together.